Hi to everyone. Now we'll see search operation binary search tree. Okay. So this representation already you know. Now we'll write implementation logic for search operation. Search in binary search tree. So what we are going to do before going to search, you need to read some value. That value I am going to place in some variable v. You are going to read, right? Then after reading the value, you need to check with its corresponding root node, right? Whether, so for example, I have read the value 10. Whether that 10 is equal to 10, yes. When it is successful, we need to stop the process and we need to say that search is successful. If it is like I got a value 1, if it is not matched with the root node, then what we need to decide whether I want to go to the left side or I want to go to the right side. I mean, how we are going to do? I will write the logic for that, right? If the root tends to data is less than so and so, logic I will write. If it is less than, I will go for left side. If it is right side, I will go for right side. So this process you need to repeat continuously, right? So for that, whenever you are going to do some process continuously, what you need to do? You need to take some while loop. When unknown number of iterations that you get, you need to take while loop, right? So I am simply taking one current pointer that contains the address of root node. Why I am taking every time the current pointer? It's your wish, you can take anything. Okay, current. So I will make one while loop, while current. I mean, while some address is there, while there exists a node, I am going to take. What I am doing is, I need to check for that correspondent. Whichever node I am located, in that node value I need to check, right? So for that, what I need to do? If current tends to data. So current contains what value? Check here meanwhile. Current contains the address 100. The address 100. If current tends to data 10 is equal to corresponding value. Like for example, I have read the value 10. For example, I have read the value 10. I read the value 10 and current value is 100. While positive value, yes, current value is 100. Current tends to data is 10. Is 10 double equal to 10? Yes. Then what I will do? Printf search is success. And I will simply write break condition. You can understand why I am writing break condition. Meaning that when search is success, I have to go for checking the remaining entire thing. As I am present in a while loop, I need to stop the process. If you want to stop the process, I need to compulsory write break condition. That already know. Okay. Otherwise, for example, user read the value 1. You read the value 1. So current contains 100. Now while current 100 tends to data is 10. Is 10 double equal to 1? No. It is not matched. Then what I need to do? I need to go for else case. In else case, I am going to check. What I need to do in else case? I need to check whether I need to move to the left side or I need to move to the right side. So for that, you need to write the condition. That is, if current tends to data less than V or not. If current tends to data is less than V, what I need to do? My data may exist on the left part. It exists on the left part. If current, so what I need to do? I need to make to the left side. If I want to make to the left side, which is address for that subtree? 200. So I will make a modifying this pointer current equal to current tends to left link. Current equal to current tends to left. What is current equal current tends to left link? Current tends to left link is 200. 200. So once again it is going to explain. While 200 as positive value is 200 tends to data is 5. Is 5 double equal to 1? No. Meaning that search is not success. So it's going to execute once again. If current tends to data, what is current tends to data? 200. 200 tends to data is 5. Is 5 less than 1? Is 5 less than 1? Is 5 less than 1? No. Condition fail. When the condition fail, what is the meaning of this one? My data will present on the right side. My data will be present on the right side. I mean, I need to make a move current equal to current tends to right link. Sorry, we need to small logic I think change. Current tends to data is 10. Current tends to data is 10 and my value is 1. Is 10 less than 1? Or just getting confused, right? Or instead of taking like this, just take this code. V less than current tends to data. It is equal to the our actual explanation, right? Then 1 less than 10, right? V is 1, current tends data is 200. 200 tends data is 5. Yes, 1 less than 5. When 1 less than 5, what you need to do? You need to make to the left side. You need to make to the left side. So when we are moving to the left side, okay, we will see this case in left side. When moving to the left side, I mean its address is 400. Its address is 400. Now, once it is going to check, yes, while 400. 400 times data is 1. 1 double equal to 1, search is success, so found successfully completed. Now we'll check the case. We'll check the case 9. We'll check the case. I want search for the value 9. Now once again it is going to execute. Current is 100. Now while 100, current tends data is okay, anything. 100 tends to data is 10. 10 double equal to 9? No. Now 9 less than 10? Yes. 9 less than 10? Yes. Then I am going to move to current equal to current tends left link. Current equal to current tends left link is 200. 200. Now once again, while 200 positive value, 200 tends data is 5. 5 double equal to 9. Condition failed. Then it is going to execute this condition. Is 9. The value is 9. 9 less than current test data. What is current test data? 200. 5. I mean 9 less than 5? No, obviously fail. When fail means what I need to do? My data will be present on the right side part. So to which location I need to move? I need to move to the right side. Current equal to current tends to right link. So current value is moved to what? My current is 200. Right link is 500. I think you are understood. I am going very fast. 500. So now once again it is going to execute. Why 500? Yes. Current tends data. 500 tends to data is 9. 9 double to 9. Search is success. So we'll stop the process. We'll come out of the block. That's it. Okay. Now for example, I am taking some value which is not exist in the. For example, I am taking 60. Which is not exist in the binary search tree. Then what I am going to do? I have read the value 16. I am going to create one current pointer with an address 100. Why 100? Yes. 100 tends to data. What is 100 tends to data? 10. 10 double equal to 16? No. It is going to execute. Is 16 less than 10? Is 16 less than 10? No. Condition fail. Condition fail means my 16 will be present on the right side. So I will move to current equal to current tends. What is current tends right link? 300. 300, right? Then once again execute. While 300. 300 tends to data is 14. 14 double equal to 16? No. It is going to execute. Now V value is 16. 16 less than 14? Yes. 16 less than 14? Let's check. 16 less than 14? Condition fails. When condition fails, I can say that my 16 is present on the right side. So I will move to the right side. Current equal to current tends to right link. What is current tends to right link? Null. Meaning that current value is now null. Current value is null. While current, what is the value? Null. Meaning that this condition is fail. When this condition fail, the meaning of this one is my data not found. That's it. My data not found. Now we are going to check that if current double equal to null. If current double equal to null, printf search is unsuccess. Search is unsuccess. Is there any importance to write this condition? Yes, you need to compulsory write. Why? Because when search is success, it will simply break from this loop and it will execute this condition. But I don't want to execute like that. When there is no data, then only I need to execute. So for that I need to write this condition. So this is the corresponding implementation code for to perform search operation over a Bayesian search tree. This is the logic for if my data is printed on the root node. For that the condition is this. This is for my data is printed on the left side. This is for left side and then right side. This is for not found condition. Okay, no worry, don't worry anything. That's it.